Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Burna Boy had the National Stadium in full swing as thousands of patrons came out to support the African giant for his last show on his Love Damini tour. Burna Boy met expectations with his live performance of global mega hit songs like Last and Yeah. During his performance, he expressed his love for Jamaica and said he grew up listening to his father playing Jamaican music at home. One of the most anticipated performances of the night though was Burna and Popcorn for their single Tony and Sing. Serani joined Burna Boy on stage for the first time with their song Secret. Popcorn during his performance had two surprise guests, Tony and Sing for an eyebrow-raising performance of their latest hit, Next to Me, and reggae veteran Barris Hammond, who joined him for their song God Is Love. Now still on performances, reggae singer Lila Ike, who opened the show, thrilled with her performance of Dinero. E-Prime caught up with media personality Debbie Bissoon at the show, and during an interview she expressed that she thinks dancehall can do better than it is doing now.
Dancehall needs competition too, because we need to step up the game, you know what I mean? We can't get too comfortable and feel like dancehall is the only genre out there, you know what I mean? And Afrobeat is rise, shows that dancehall needs to organize itself a little bit more to understand it's a business first, you know what I mean? Music is a business first, and when we get that correctly, it's good. Afrobeats pull out a whole stadium. Dancehall can do it too.
Burna Boy is a Grammy-winning Afrobeats mega superstar. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.